Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Chevy Equinox LS. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in great shape. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. 45,000 miles on it, beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front fender, beautiful shape, very nice. It's got a small little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Overall in good condition. Very nice shape. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Grill's in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look here at the lights. Lights are in amazing condition. They look brand new. Very nice. Take a look at the grill, also in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Paint's in beautiful shape here on the hood. Looks good. Great shape. It's got a little blemish right there. You can see right there. Another little blemish right there. And another one right there. Besides that, looks very nice. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Really in great shape. Take a look at the windshield, also beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Passenger door in the front looks nice. Beautiful shape throughout. Flawless, very nice condition. Got a small little blemish here on the paint, little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear door. Passenger side looks good. Quarter panel on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Walking around the back here, take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Take a look at the rear hatch in the back. It's in really nice condition. Lights are in beautiful shape. Take a look at that. Very, very nice. Beautiful condition. Does have a small little dent right here. Can't really see it that well. It has a small little tiny dent right there and right there. Besides, that's really in nice shape. Take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, looks good. Driver door, also in beautiful shape. Very nice, clean throughout, beautiful condition. And the front fender, we already looked at it. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the windshield again. The windshield does have a couple little chip marks here. Nothing major. Roof's in nice shape. Super clean. Does have a small little dent right there. Little scratch right there. Overall, very nice condition. Super, super clean. 2020, 45,000 miles, beautiful condition, really in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Driver door panel is in beautiful condition. Look at the controls there, very nice. Armrest is in beautiful shape, looks super clean. Take a look at the driver's seat, also in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this vehicle. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Door panel is in outstanding condition, looks brand new, really in beautiful shape. Take a look at that armrest there, very nice. Take a look at the passenger seat, also in beautiful condition. Looks brand new, very nice two-tone interior. Black rugs. Dashboard, steering wheel looks brand new. Vehicle's in amazing condition, look at that, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice. Really in beautiful shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Really outrageous condition, look at that. Super, super clean. Very, very nice. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Look at that armrest. Very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seats, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, really amazing shape. Back here, it's really nice. Has a plug-in here for USB. full set of floor mats. Look at the floor mats on there. Very nice. Take a look at the rear cargo area in the back. Looks really nice, super clean throughout. Really in amazing condition. Let's go ahead and take a look down below here. It's got a little storage area there. Put your laptop in there or whatever. Down there you got the tools and the spare tire. Really nice. Beautiful condition. We're sitting inside this 2020 Chevy Equinox. This one has a push button start, really nice. Look at that. That's the key right here. So as long as you have the key fob in your pocket in the car with you, the car should start right up. So here's the process. You're going to go ahead and press the brake, and you're going to press the button. It's going to start right up. There you go. Started right perfect. You can see there. It checks the gauges. It brings up and down the needles. Shows you they're all working. Doesn't have any check engine lights on or anything like that. Really nice. As you can see there on the RPMs, it shows it has the auto stop. So that saves fuel for you. It's really nice. Okay, so it's got 45,912 miles. You can see right there. Fuel range is 62 miles. It looks almost empty, but look at that. That's a lot of miles for that gas. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this one. So we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Automatic lights for the front here. Really nice. This has the collision controller here. So this brakes for you automatically if you get too close. That's really nice. It's a really nice feature. And then it has the lane assist here, which is also a great feature to have on. So on this car, when it's on like that, it's been activated. So that's nice. So you have here, this is the controls for the information center on top there. This car has Bluetooth, control for the wipers, the lights. It's got a really nice information center there, which is the radio, and it's got a bunch of other stuff there. So this one is, let's see, it's AM, FM, Bluetooth ready. Perfect. And then you can go down here to home, and then you can see that's where you can pair your phone for the audio, the Wi-Fi settings. It has Apple Car, Android Auto, and OnStar. So you can connect your phone and literally use your phone right on there, which is really nice. Okay, let's look below here. You got the controls for the AC, automatic transmission. It's got manual shift modes here on top, so you put it on the other one, you can shift it. Parking brake release. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks super, super clean. Look at that. Looks brand new. Look at the steering wheel on this. Also in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Very nice. Up above here, we've got a courtesy light on. We'll turn that off for a minute. It's got OnStar. Shows the passenger airbag. Visors. They look brand new. Really nice shape. Liners in beautiful condition. Take a look at that. Really outstanding shape. Really nice condition. Okay, so down here below we have a USB plug, a small USB and auxiliary. You can connect your radio there. It's got a little imperfection here on this here, nothing major. Really nice. Super clean, man. Beautiful condition. Okay, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a little test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Feels super smooth. Really nice drive. Check the brakes here real quick. Brakes super nice. Nice pickup. Shifts good. Really nice drive. Super, super smooth. Drives so nice, so smooth. Really nice drive. Okay, light change. Here we go again. Try to finish our test drive. Feels super smooth, drives nice. 4 Michelin tires all the way around. Really nice driving vehicle. Here's another cool feature this car has. This one has backup camera. So we'll go ahead and show you how that works. As soon as you put it in reverse, it shows up right away. This one's super nice because this one, when you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way the vehicle's going to roll. With that. And then as soon as you get straight, you just straighten it up and you're all good. Okay, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine, the tires, and the cargo area in the back. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment now. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Look at this. Very nice condition. 2020, 45,000 miles. Really great shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side front tire. Look at that. Amazing condition. Very nice. The tire looks brand new. Look at that. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. The tire's in amazing condition. Look at that. Looks brand new. All 4 tires are Michelin. They're all matching. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rim. Also in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.